Kardom pini prime tama berta longpen nini samiru paliti mungpi non bertang tonpen arju panik tha. Pini difu gok boys patwa klamalong BJP atum LAC hini aparman mai padu ponsi non kewangji Assam Assembly election aparman difu LAC pen bidasing ingleng lapen haraghat LAC pen dorsing ronghang atum nomination alu DCI official long kichokdam. Pini ada fourth na kermalong difu gok boys patwa klamalong difu LAC lapen haraghat LAC aparman rat amay padu pon. Mailong, Assam Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, CM Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singh lapen MLA EM, MEC Chairman lapen BJP Klembang Bangpi, Anparta BJP apan aning kacethi aral tum ongdung pen chetongdun. Labang solong ongdung Congress Party pen COC pini BJP along cepa ogdun. Mai judat api difu gok boys patwa klam pen Barsi, Deputy Commissioner Asahem alongan palidamsi, Dorsing Ronghang pen bidasing ingling atum, non kewangji Assam Assembly election aparman nomination mate amen kacet habdam, difu pen Rajib Rongpi bertanang pali. Pini All India Congress Committee pen Assam Assembly election aparman Karbi Anglong lapen di Mahasau pen kilik kacedam pen Japan abang humat abang pi ingwai pon si erat ang nupang dakpon. All India Congress Committee pen Assam Assembly election surihini ra ingkoira isi aparman Congress asong pen Karbi Anglong district lapen di Mahasau district pen Assam Assembly election kacepati dunji abang komen pini rat ang nupang dakpon tanglo. Lakha kre proxy bukajan LAC pen ratan impi, lakha kre narkep haraghat LAC pen Sanjeev Teron, lakha kre sirkep dipu LAC pen Sumronghang, lakha ingkoy baithalangso LAC pen Agustin Inghi, lapen lakha trok haplong LAC pen Nirmal Kangthasa atum phanti ingwai pontri, pini All India Congress Committee General Secretary in charge Mukul Wasnik pen rat ang mupang dakpon. News Text Report, Karbi Daily News. There pochiklo ni phai kreisiar ni por phai kreisi rachi timpen KSYC atumpen patir piponsi hanjang langso English High School Soria Janalong Literacy Campaign apartment Student Interaction mati lokacharlia bang fiatumpen lokacharlia puthak kacharju lapen kethak mesen pen patupon. Labangso karju kethak amailong KSYC tiripi amay akong chunbang akihai Bipul Tiso Rapkong chunbang akihai Biren Hansi lapen klembang akihai Jiwan be atumpensi patirpipon. Lasonsi bukajan KSYC Regional Council aklembang pu akihai Rupsing Tokpi akihai Waisong Timung lapen akaprek klembang pu atumta cheraptun. Labangso mailong hanjang langso English High School at hanbang sar Jameson Teron ahin pensi mailong kacetong KSYC abang puatumpan school amen pen dengpon.
So this is as I have already mentioned, this is an interaction session to make it most interesting. I'm very hopeful that you all will cooperate with us. So we have selected one topic. If you know, I hope you all will join with us. Okay, this is just an interaction. So let's take it as a game. Okay, quiz competition like that. I'll give one topic. Let the girls side say the merit of this point, and the boys say the
Laswapi KSYC ahin penta thanbang sar Jameson Teron aphan Karbi apuhupen archupon. Labang so mailong kusonsi lo kacharli osumaratum akimang kithekiri aot adur haihui alam thesi chethan chimumpon. Kijutsi thanbang Jameson Teron ahin pen KSYC abitung atumaphan suri kachuru pajirdun. Hanjang lang supen Jameson Teron Trison Lekthi Karbi Daily News. Bharat angkang pi mati India adet pialong Mahasivratri puja katalon pon ason thotsi Satgaon terang arong alongta sangpi kadom terang pi penjalin ponsi aning kanwang ason thak pining lethota ni phai kreisi therepua chiklo Mahasivratri mati Sip Durga Kali Saraswati arnamatuma an chongduk chordom asai dingpon mate aliralon pen talon pon lapen pini bang solong dongka sarpo arnamatuma anapansitami jakong horang haihusitami chohang pon bang solong mirjang thu lunjir lam tomo lapen siwa arnam akai lamo haihusitami chethan chimum pon pen ingsamjin pen pachun pon dongka mukam pen dikonto terang Karbi Daily News. Pinya berta bangke laan si kang ton pat iglo tumit hakmi kurang tu.